You can use wowapp not only on your Android and iOS phone or tablet, but also on Windows and Mac computers. This is very useful and more convenient for many people from a practical point of view, as wowapp offers several features on a computer that are not available on a mobile phone. On the other hand, there are some missing features. For example, instant earnings can only be found on mobile. The first time you start the app, you will automatically see an interactive guide that will make your first steps in the app easier. Simply follow the instructions and you'll be better oriented right away. You can switch the interactive guide back on at any time here. If you want to change the language of the app, you can do so in the top Tools menu. On the home page, you can see your earnings history, automatic donations to charity, or you can withdraw your available earnings here. On the left menu is a news reader. You can set these news feeds to your preferences and choose the countries, media, and categories you want to subscribe to. The settings can be changed in the top right menu, where you simply select what you are interested in from which country. You will then see the selected sources on your main news page. Probably the most used part of the app is Chat, where you'll find a list of your contacts and groups. You can find your favorite contacts in this menu. You can add a contact to your favorites simply by clicking on this star. As usual, you can make calls and video calls with your contacts, send stickers or GIFs, but you can also send any type of file, be it photos, videos, PDFs, or anything else. In groups, file size is limited, but in direct chat it's almost unlimited. If you send files this large, the other person can only receive them on their computer. wowapp is a great messenger to use with colleagues at work. You can start a new group in two ways, either here or here. Type the names of the participants you want to add, enter the group name, and confirm. You can click on the group icon to change the group image. If the group has 50 participants or less, you can make a conference voice call and talk to all members at the same time. For now, you can only initiate a group voice call from your computer, but you can easily answer it on your mobile phone. If you have an active video call with a person who is also on a computer, you will be able to share your screen with them. This feature is only available if both of you are calling through a computer. It is useful for troubleshooting computer problems or for presentations. You can find the paid calling, which I explained in a separate video here. Keep in mind that calls and video calls between wowapp members are always free. Paid calling is an extra feature that allows you to call any number in the world.
Thank you for calling Freehand, New York. For hotel reservations, press 1. Private events, press 2. For information on broken...
For more information on paid calling, I've attached a link below the video. A very useful feature is saving conversations for later, so you won't forget to text people back if you're busy. Simply save a contact or group for later and write back when you can. And don't forget to shop. wowapp regularly alerts you about some of the top shops in your country in the top bar, or you can visit all available stores here. I've also included a separate video with more information about shopping in the link below the video. Have a nice day.